Okay, so here is...
His house is burning. Holy shit. The neighbor's house is burning.
Holy shit.
So the neighbor's house caught on fire. It's like 6 in the morning and there's like 2 huge explosions already. The firefighters just got here. I wonder if anything happened to the people. Damn. And I was just thinking about this yesterday. Oh, you see that? Horrible. Oh, more firefighters. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 16. So if I look tired today, it's because, like you guys saw, I did have to wake up a little bit early because there was a fire and it was just crazy, and I was scared to go back to sleep because I wasn't sure if they were going to be able to control the fires. Anyways, it's not that early anymore. It's like 11 and I think I'm gonna go to the post office because I think my BOXYCHARM came in. So yeah. Finally. So here is the house that burnt. So yeah, that sucks. And yeah. Okay you guys, I am home, and as you guys saw, I finally got my BOXYCHARM. Okay, so I am sitting on the floor. Oh, today I'm wearing my Coca-Cola sweater. See? Coca-Cola. And it's a cute little bear. So anyways, today I actually had plans to go out. I was gonna go cut my hair. I was gonna go to Walmart. But all these things happened and the street was blocked, so I couldn't really go out. So I'll try that tomorrow.
He's shy.
Hello. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to be opening my BOXYCHARM. They think I'm going to open an advent calendar or something. So here is my BOXYCHARM. Okay, so this is my November BOXYCHARM, and maybe you guys are not interested in seeing my November BOXYCHARM because I'm pretty sure you guys are pretty much getting your January BOXYCHARM already. Ta-da! I did already get my tracking number for my December box, and it's in Nevada right now, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get it anytime soon. Okay, I'm excited. I got the palette that I wanted. So this is a November BOXYCHARM card, and I got variation number 26. The first item in my BOXYCHARM, it is the eyeshadow palette that I wanted, and this one is the Natasha Denona Peak palette, and it comes in this weird cardboard box. This is my first Natasha Denona palette, so I'm super duper excited. And this is what it looks like. Very cute, very pretty. This palette reminds me of like Thanksgiving colors. That palette retails for $48. And then I also got a coupon, 25% off, which I'm not gonna use. Okay, so the next product that I got, it is the antioxidant spray toner, and this is by Dr. Brandt. So I'm super excited to try this because I've heard a lot of people say that they really like it, and I think it's cool that it comes with a little spray thing. Oh, and this one retails for $40. Okay, so the next product that I got, it is the Milk Makeup Mascara, and this is a Kush waterproof mascara. And that Milk Makeup waterproof mascara retails for $24. And the next product, it is a eyeshadow primer, and it's Pero Primero primer by Alamar Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like. Pero Primero primer, which means but first primer. I'm excited to try this out. This primer right here retails for $15. Okay, now lastly, I'm super excited because I've seen everyone get this and I was hoping I would get it. And this is a half cake game changer, and this is what it looks like. So it is 3 lippies. I'm sorry about the background noise, you guys. So anyways, I'm going to open the lippies. I'm pretty sure everyone's already seen them, but I want to see them because I'm excited about these. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. So this is what they look like. Very pretty. So I'm super excited for these. I can't wait to try them on my lips. And I really like the packaging of this box. It's like a deck of cards. This box of lippies retails for $32. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM for November. I did wait a whole month and a half for it to get here, so I am very disappointed. Now I'm going to open up this box right here. I'm thinking it's from Buzz Agent, so let's open it up. Okay, I'm super excited because look what they sent me, you guys. I got this for free. So anyways, this time they sent me the Infinity Pro by Conair, and this is a large oval all-in-one dryer brush. So I'm super excited. This is a card and it has more information in the back. I'm really excited to try this. It says that it is ideal for medium to long hair, dry in style, detangle and defreeze, and volumize. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It looks strange. Okay, so it comes with a book of instructions, which I'm not gonna read. And then it comes with this attachment right here, which is the hair dryer and the brush, obviously. Okay, so here is the tool. It says Infinity Pro, and it does have 3 settings. It has cool, low, and high. So it's just like a regular hair dryer. And it does have this button right here, so just in case you're like burning your head off, you just press this and it starts getting cool. I'm obviously not gonna try it out right now because my hair's obviously dry. Oh, there you go. I got it on. For some reason it hurts really bad right here. Like when I move this arm. I think I'm slowly dying or something. It started hurting after I got scared when I heard the explosion from the house. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Very nice. And so it attaches pretty easy. I was just struggling because I didn't know how it went. And there you go. And then it comes with the other attachment. This one right here that looks like a spoon. Looks like a little paw. I don't know how you use this, but I'll figure it out. I'm super excited to try this out. I'll probably try it out tonight and see how it works. Anyways, I'm going to be putting this away in my bathroom so I could use it tonight. So I'm sorry if I look like crap today, but I didn't get enough sleep. We're gonna ignore that, and I'm going to be doing an eye look using the Natasha Denona palette that I got in the BOXYCHARM. So first, I'm going to begin with the NYX Pigment Primer. So last night I couldn't sleep because I was freezing. So I went to sleep almost like at 2 in the morning because like around 1 I decided to get up and get another blanket. So I slept with 3 blankets, my sweatpants and a sweater, and I was still freezing. Like, I don't know, I'm weird. I'm looking for my color switch. I didn't wash my brushes, so I'll probably do that today. So right now I'm going to be setting my shadow primer using this cream shade. Okay, so I couldn't sleep last night, and then I had to wake up early because I heard the explosion sound and I thought it was a truck driver, but obviously it wasn't. Okay, I'm going to be getting this shade right there. It's like, I don't know, I'm blind. Is it an orange? Is it a light brown? I'm not sure. I'm getting this shade though. I'm going to put in the crease. And then I woke up like at 5:50ish. I'm not sure. Because that's when I heard the big explosion sound. And at first I was like, oh, it's just a truck driver. His tire probably popped or something. But then I heard the emergency sirens. And then I heard the police. And then my dog started barking. So I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna check to see what's up. And then I looked out the window and the house was on fire. I was like, holy shit. And so then I got up really quick. And now I'm going into that brown and I'm gonna put it like on the edges. I got up really quick because I just got scared and I didn't know what to do, and then I wasn't sure if like it was going to spread, because when I looked out the window there was no firefighters, it was just the police. So I got up, called my boyfriend right away. I completely forgot it was his birthday and I didn't tell him happy birthday until like 2 hours later when I remembered. But anyway, so I called them and I told them about it and sent them a video. So anyways, as I was talking to my boyfriend, I decided to go outside to like film it with my phone. But I didn't know I couldn't record with my phone while I was talking on the phone. When I tried to record, there was like a big explosion again. Like poof! It was crazy. The flames got really high and it was like poof, like a volcano looking thing. I don't know. It was the first time I've ever seen something like that, besides movies and stuff. And so I got scared. I'm like, holy crap. And yeah, that's what happened. So I didn't capture any explosions or like the big explosions on my phone or camera, which kind of sucks because it would have been cool to watch, I think. I don't know. But yeah, it was really crazy and I've never seen a house on fire this close. Okay, I'm going back into the brown, orange, pinky shade or whatever color that is. And I'm going to retouch this area here. I think I'm going to put some of this shimmer in the center of my eye, like on top of that orange. Tap it over to make it look shimmery. I didn't apply no glitter primer. I'm gonna go back into the brush that I used for the orange and just tap it over back and forth until I'm happy with how it looks. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm going to be putting the orange. Okay, like so. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to apply the shimmer. And I like this shimmer because it's actually pigmented and I don't have to put glitter primer. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying eyeliner and mascara off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The eyeliner that I'm using is the Isadora Glossy Eyeliner. And for mascara, I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex on the top lashes. And the bottom lashes, I am using the Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara. So yeah. And for lips, I'm actually trying out one of these new lippies by Have Caked Game Changer. And I am using the Theme Song shade. It's this one right here. And I really like how this color looks. It's really pretty. It feels a little sticky. I mean, it's not super sticky, it's just a little bit sticky, especially like on the edges. But maybe it's because it's still drying. But it doesn't feel sticky when I put my fingers, only when I put my lips together. So it's not that bad. This palette is nice, but I wish it would have had a different color instead of the brown. But the orange was nice and this color is nice. I don't know what color that is. And I really like the shimmer. But anyways, either way, I'm really happy that I got a Natasha Denona palette and I didn't get no fallout on my face. And there was a little bit of kick up on the palette, but not so much. And I don't mind that. So yeah, I wish I would have got my BOXYCHARM in November because this would have been like the perfect Thanksgiving palette. So anyways, right now I think I'm going to be editing my video that I have to upload tomorrow. before I let you guys go right now, I'm going to show you guys my e-calendar. So December 16, it says, "My feelings for you are as enduring and filthy as parking lot snow." That's funny. So anyways, I'll see you guys later once I'm done editing this video, because I'm trying to finish this really fast. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, sorry I look disgusting, but I have a bun. An ugly bun. So anyways, I'm trying out these veggie thins that I got yesterday in the Pinch Me box, or the kit or sampler box. And oh my gosh, these are the most disgusting chips I've ever tried. Like, I can't. No. They taste weird. Like, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried these and if you guys like them. Made with real vegetables. That explains a lot. That's a big no-no for me. I mean, I hardly eat chips, so I will not eat vegetable chips. I give it a -5 stars. And you know what it tastes like? It tastes like zucchinis. These are not good, you guys. Well, anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that really quick. Okay, you guys, so I am done editing this video, the collaboration video that has to go up tomorrow. I'm just going to be wrapping the stuff that I'm going to put in, like stocking stuffers, so yeah. Okay, I think that's everything that I have to wrap right now, so yeah. Okay, so since we are here already, I think I'm going to open my Harry Potter advent calendar. So today is day 16. Okay, so day 16 is down here. And it's like this little square right here. So I'm going to open it. I think it's like a tape or something. So this one says Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it because it's dark. Here, let me remove the plastic. Isn't that adorable? So I'm super excited about this. So I'm definitely going to be using this. That's that. So I'm really happy with today's advent calendar. My hairy children are outside right now. So I'm not going to give them their advent calendar till later, until they eat dinner. So I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm not going to do anything else. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.